Hey family, it's Kat Melendez and I'm excited to bring you my Christmas decor for 2023. So I'm starting off in my foyer area. I'm going to show you all how I have designed it, and I'm really focusing in on emerald greens, red, a lot of lighting, and just making everything very traditional and magical within the foyer area, because it is the first place that people will see when they walk in my home, and I really wanted to leave that wow factor. I'm starting off by adding a pencil tree to the corner so that this is the focal point when you first walk into my home. I am going to go ahead and add about 3 packs of lights to the tree. These lights are very beautiful. I bought them at Hobby Lobby. They give a nice shimmery look to the tree. I was very satisfied with the overall glow. Look at it, it's all glowy and pretty. Now I'm just finishing off the look with a tree skirt that I bought from Burlington. As you can see, it is a white skirt with beautiful silver gems all over it. And I'm also going to be adding this reindeer and a few other Christmas trees, gold, very flashy and very festive looking, to finish off the look. So I bought these beautiful red velvet Christmas bows from Big Lots. I bought like 20 of these, guys. I literally fell in love with this velvet traditional looking bow, and I added it to the tree along with an R for Rob, which is my husband, and a C ornament for Kat, which of course is me. I thought that was cute for the entrance of the home. And now I'm just adding my garland. This is a beautiful piece that I picked up at Homegoods. They were a little pricey, about $39.99 a piece, but if you can see how beautiful these look in person and how realistic these look in person, you would definitely spend the money. I plan to keep these for years. And I just was so pleased with how easy it was to transform my banister with this garland. So now, just to kind of hide the connections and the breaks in the garland, I am adding these velvet bows in each section.
Barely made it, but we survived. The time has come now. Gather round now. It's the best time. Christmas is here. I just wanna celebrate. Have a party with my family and friends.
So now I'm adding this beautiful oversized wreath that I bought from Costco to my foyer. Above the foyer, you will see this when you first walk in. I topped it off with that beautiful red velvet bow, and it really tied in this look here. I was really satisfied with how this turned out. So here I am, just adding this tree that I bought from Walmart a few years ago, just to kind of give it a little glitz and glam at the top of the stairs. It's definitely giving me festive vibes. We have entered the Christmas season, and you should see it from the outside of my house. You can actually see it through the window. It was perfect for that area. So now I'm just adding a few pieces that I have gathered over the years. The reindeer, that beautiful red pop of color to tie it in with the bows. And of course, this candle smells just like pine. It smells so good in my foyer.
We decorating, we celebrating, 'cause it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Jesus. We decorate.
Now I'm just adding some gorgeous poinsettias to the side table. It really tied in with the red velvet bowls.
Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday. celebrate. Have a party with my family and friends.
So here's the final look of my foyer decor for my Christmas holiday series. I will be coming with a few videos. I'm going to be moving into my office space and then into my main living room. Stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope you've been inspired, and remember to decorate your space.
Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday.